everyone, so let's unbox mason jar wall hanging by Mansaa. So firstly you will get flowers and leaves for decoration, 2 wooden boards, 2 remotes with 8 light modes and smart timer, 2 mason jars and 2 LED string lights. Now putting 3 batteries in the battery box. Here's the function key for the string light. Now putting the battery box in the glass jar. And this is how you can keep flowers. You get 2 seamless nails which are suitable for solid walls. Now hanging the wooden board on wall. Next up we'll hang the jar on wooden board. And this is how the whole look is created. And now we have a smart remote with 8 kinds of light modes. You can also adjust the brightness. The timer is a nice feature. Lights turn off after 6 hours and will light again every day at the time you first switched it on. So this is how art wall hanging by Mansaa will glam up your interior. You get 2 pieces of art wall hanging by Mansaa to glam up your home decor.